1 minute. I am going to tell you some some words, some 7 8 words, but more or less same meaning. You have to tell me what is the difference. Can we try that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Killed. I'll tell you. Killed, stabbed, shot, massacred, butchered, assassinated, passed, then died, like that. Maybe another, I forgot. So, what is the difference? I'll repeat: killed, uh, uh, shot, stabbed, massacred, butchered, assassinated, died, passed, and one or two words I forgot. Okay. So, what is the difference of these things? When do we use killed? When do we use stabbed?
When someone is killed by someone.
Okay. Then when do you use stabbed? We use stabbed also. We see these words in our newspapers. Somebody stabbed somebody. When do we use stabbed?
Kidnapped.
Kidnapped. No, kidnapped is a kidnapped is a
Poke someone with
to
knife,
push a
sir.
knife or other pointed object into something, sir.
No, 1 minute. I think one by one. Yes, Mughal, what are you trying to say?
To poke someone with knife, sir.
Knife, yeah. If you kill with a knife, we call it as stabbed. Then shot, we kill with what?
When we use a gun to kill means it is
Firing
shot.
gun, sir.
Then
That
butchered,
makes noise.
butchered, how will they kill?
Any weapon.
Killing into pieces. Now, some people, we don't butcher, like maybe an animal is butchered, like that we say, no? So, that is into pieces, they make it into pieces.
So to kill in a cruel way.
Yeah, it's a cruel way, correct. I think that's it. Then, massacred. Normally, massacred is that word is used when you
Sir, for
kill large
instance
number
of
of people.
killing.
Huh?
Number of usually helpless people.
Yeah, mass killing. No, mass killing is called massacred and things like that. That word. And this Jallianwala Bagh is called what? Jallianwala Bagh. Have you heard of this Jallianwala Bagh?
Massacre.
Massacre. We call massacre because hundreds of people were killed in that particular battle or whatever incident. Okay, then massacre. Then what is butchered, massacred, and what is assassinated? Have you heard of this word assassinated?
Murder.
A double S A assass double S I N A T E D assassinated.
Murder, sir.
What, madam?
Murder, sir.
Murder. Yeah. Murder is
So to,
another.
sir, to assassinate someone means to get target and deliberately kill that person.
Okay.
Murder for political.
Any other explanation? Assassinated.
Planned and
Committing
killing someone,
murder,
sir.
Planned killing, they say. Okay. Then murder is what? Assassinated, we are yet to come to the right answer. We will come back later. Murder? Murder is a planned killing. Okay.
So crime of
Yeah.
crime of
Murder is
unfor-
generally planned. Planned killing is called murder. Then what is assassinated?
so to target someone and kill very deliberately.
So suppose somebody kills me. Will we say Kesamurthy is assassinated or Kesamurthy is murdered? Which is correct?
Murder.
Murdered, correct. So somebody says, for example, some Nirmala Sitharaman is assassinated or Nirmala Sitharaman is killed, murdered, whatever. Or you say something like Gandhiji is assassinated or killed or murdered.
Murder for political.
Murder, sir.
Yeah, whenever you no, I'll come to that. Whenever you murder a VIP, a popular man, then that is called assassinated. Rajiv Gandhi is assassinated. Mahatma Gandhi is assassinated. But when somebody kills Kesamurthy, it is murdered or killed or whatever. But they won't.
Prominent person.
What, sir? What, madam? Yeah.
Usually prominent.
Yeah, prominent person, a VIP, no, very important person. No, when you kill them or a popular person, then we call assassinate. Okay, that's a small bit of this thing. Okay, then go to seventh one. Seventh one, who will try? Seventh one?
So can I?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I bought.
Oh, sorry.
Sir, can you please scroll?
Right.
I bought a 10 years old car.
Ah.
So can I answer?
Yeah,
I bought a 10-year-old car.
correct. I bought a 10-year-old car. நீங்கள் தமிழில் கூட நீங்கள் இங்கிலீஷ்லேயே மனசுலேயே சொன்னாவே வந்துடும். தமிழில் சொன்னால் வந்துடும். நான் 10 வருஷ கார் வாங்கினேன் அப்படிங்கிறது 10 வருடங்கள் கார் வாங்கினேன் அப்படின்லாம் சொல்கிறதில்ல. 10 வருஷ கார் வாங்கினேன் தான் நம்ம சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ why I little bit Tamil I say, because some people will think in Tamil and then try to answer in English. For them, slowly they have to move towards thinking in English also. But till that time, they have to do this. Okay, 8th question, who will do? 8th question?
Sir, can I try?
Yeah.
The team has been playing hockey since 3 hours every day. Answer.
Ah,
The team has been playing hockey for 3 hours every day.
correct. It is for 3 hours. Okay, very simple. These are simple. It has come in NTSC, books. Papers. I think 2018 or 19 and all those this thing. Okay, we will close at this. We'll go on to the next this one. So I'm presenting one more PPT. So I don't know whether this PPT we have seen, even if it is repetition, it's okay. Nothing wrong in it as far as this mathematics is concerned. Even if it is, yeah, this is the maths for numbers. I think we have seen this, huh? How to find divisibility by 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then I will skip for a moment. I think these are some things I've seen. Okay, I don't know whether I've seen. LCM and HCF. Have you heard of this LCM and HCF? Are you able to see the screen first?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is
sir.
LCM? Can anybody explain what is LCM and what is HCF? I mean,
Sir, LCM is least common.
Lowest common
One
multiple
at a time.
and
One
HCF.
at a time. Maybe one.
Sir, LCM is lowest common multiple and HCF is highest common factor.
Okay. Now, suppose they give 3, 5, 6. How do you find LCM? Just explain me. I mean, you need not give me the answer.
By taking prime factorization method, sir.
Okay. So, what does it mean? Can you explain? No, this jargon.
Sir, by taking prime factorization and multiply the all factors.
Okay, but prime factorization means what? Like for example, 3, 5, 6. 3 can be 1 and 3 are the factors. And for 5, 1 and 5 are the factors. And for 6, 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
For 3,
Yes,
1
sir.
and 3 are the factors. I repeat. For 5, 1 and 5 are the factors. For 6, 1, 2, 3, 6 factors. How do we find LCM? Then how much is LCM?
6 into 5, 30.
6 into 5, 30. Why 6 into 5? What happened to the 2, 3, 1, all those stuff?
Common factors into non-common factors, sir.
No,
Sir,
okay.
30 is the LCM, sir.
30 is LCM, I know. But then how did you get it? Like whatever I understood when I was like you, எங்கள் ஸ்கூல் வாத்தியார் என்ன சொல்லுவார்னா இப்போ த ஹையஸ்ட் நம்பர் எடுத்துக்கங்க பார் இதில் ஹையஸ்ட் நம்பர் இஸ் 6 அந்த 6ஓட ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் 1 2 3 இஸ் தேர் ஸோ ஆல் தீஸ் அந்த ஹையஸ்ட் நம்பரில் அந்த அதெல்லாம் அழிச்சிருங்க 1 2 3 மற்ற ஃபேக்டர்லாம் அழிச்சிருங்க அதே மாதிரி what are the factors that are common with the factors of 6 that also you remove, that is that one other 2 ones are also removed. Similarly, the 3 is also removed because that is there in the as a factor of 6. So what is left out is 6 and 5. 5 into 6 is 30. இதுதான் நாங்கள் படித்தது. நீங்கள் எப்படி படிச்சீங்கன்னு தெரில.
Sir, shall I show in the camera, sir?
Yeah. 1 minute. I will show in the camera. 1 minute. I have to do something, no? 1 minute. Yeah. Right. See, so 1 minute. I think I will make it big. I don't know how to make it big.
Sir,
Sir,
pin
it
the
will be visible
screen,
for everyone, sir.
Wait.
Sir, you should pin her video.
Yes, sir, pin that.
But the spinning and all is for me. It is a Greek to me. That's the problem. Yes, 3, 5, 6. He took 3. He put 3 and then Nietzsche this he has put 1, 5, 2 because he has divided only the 6. Then again she
Yes,
put
sir.
5 and then 1, 1, 2. Then put 1, 1, 1. So she multiplied 3 into 5 into 2. Okay, this is the way. Okay, I understood. Now I understood. I think all of you have understood. Very good. Once we understand, then we'll move on to the next one. So what do I do? I mean, this pinning I have to remove. Huh? How to remove pinning? I do not know.
So like that, we have to go to that others and we have to do, sir.
Okay, I don't know. Okay, I think it's there. Oh, sorry. I think I made a mistake. 1 minute. I'll go to that screen. Yeah, I got it. Okay. So now, how to find HCF of a fraction? Now we know how to find the LCM and HCF. How to find HCF of a fraction? Fractions like, for example, 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 7 by 6. Like this, fractions are there. How to find HCF of fraction? HCF of fraction is equal to HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators. Have you studied this in your school? May not be.
Yes, sir.
Acha, you studied, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So HCF of fraction is equal to HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators. LCM of fraction is equal to LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. Okay, now let's take one example. I think that would be better. Find LCM and HCF of 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 7 by 6. So can you find HCF? 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 7 by 6. Now, that is, you have to find the HCF means you have to find HCF of numerators. Numerators are 2, 4 and 7. You have to find HCF of 2, 4 and 7 and divide that by LCM of 3, 5 and 6. So HCF of 2, 4 and 7 is 1. LCM of 3, 5 and 6 is 30. So the answer is 1 by 30. Similarly, if you want to find LCM of this fraction, then you take LCM of 2, 4 and 7, divide that by HCF of 3, 5, 6. So LCM of 2, 4 and 7 is 28. HCF of 3, 5, 6 is 1. So answer is 28. Maybe I will give one more example. You do on your own so that we become very comfortable with that. Okay. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
7 by 8. 14 divided by 18. So not 18. I think you have to 12. No, sorry. 13. 13 divided by 18. Let's put. Then 8 divided by 9. So can you find HCF and LCM for these three? 7 by 8, 8 by 9, 13 by 18. Find with a piece of paper you find out. I'm getting something, but I'm not sure. You tell me the answer and I'll check because I don't have the answers with me now. So HCF means HCF of numerator, but LCM of denominator. 8, 9 and 18. So what is the answer you are getting? HCF is equal to
728.
what is that? 728 is what?
HCF 728, sir.
Just check. Is it HCF or LCM?
HCF, sir.
நல்லா பாருங்க. $728 one answer I'm getting, but I'm getting LCM. LCM is 728 வருது அப்படியா? So what is HCF then? So ரெண்டு ஆன்சர் கொடுங்க. அப்புறம் அது HCF LCF LCM கண்டுபிடிச்சிக்கலாம்.
To find HCF numerator, we should see LCM, sir.
Yeah, so you find out. That's what I'm saying. You find out.
So HCF is 713, 8 is 728, sir.
இல்ல. I think anybody else? Mugil, what is the answer you're getting? Yeah, Ibrahim.
Sir, I'm working, sir.
Why it takes so much time? Arshida or anybody others? Ibrahim எடுக்கக்கூடாதே.
Sir, doing, sir, just a minute.
But all those youngsters, 8th standard boys and girls, you may not be aware of this. Huh? HCM, LCF and all you have not studied so far.
So actually, I left the meeting because of network problem. That's why I didn't know the question. After that only I knew which question we are doing.
It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, all these small problems you need not explain in the class. No, if you are going out and because I'm not going to find fault with somebody or something. This is not your usual class. I'm just trying to find the answers. Yeah.
Sir,
What is-
HCF,
Ah,
sir, HCF is 108.
108. LCM. So she says, okay, 1 minute. No, I think you have to tell, re-look into your calculation, madam. மறுபடியும் பாருங்கன்னு நீங்கள் இப்போ பண்ணது கரெக்டானு பாருங்கன்னு அப்படி அர்த்தம். ரீலுக்குன்னு அதுதான் அர்த்தம். ஹெச்சிஎஃப் எவ்வளோ, எல்சிஎம் எவ்வளோ? கொஞ்சம் டைம் எடுத்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல. நம்ம வேறு யார் இருக்கீங்க? லக்ஷ்மண பிரபு ஆர் யார் ஓவர் டெஸ்ட் 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் யாராக இருக்கீங்க பாருங்கள்.
Sir,
ஆ
HCF of 713.8 is 728, sir. LCM of
No.
8, 9,
One minute. I think you are getting confused. I want HCF of 7/8, 8/9, 13/18. அவ்வளோதான். நீங்கள் வேறு வேறெல்லாம் கொண்டு வராதீங்க. அதே மாதிரி I want LCM of 7 by 8, 8 by 9, 13 by 18. நேர ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க, அப்புறம் நம்ம அங்கிருந்து போய்க்கலாம். ஏன் இவ்வளோ நேரம் எடுக்குது? இப்போ என்ன சி வாட் இஸ் த ப்ராப்ளம்?
Sir,
ஆ
LCM is 728, sir.
ஓகே இருங்க போடுறேன், அது போட்டுறேன், எல்லாருக்கும் வருதான்னு பார்க்கலாம். 728 LCM. HCF
48 it is coming, sir.
48.
Yes, sir.
See, HCF is what? HCF is HCF of numerator. HCF of numerator is how much? 7, 8, 13. அதுக்கு HCF எவ்வளோ? 1. 7, 8, 13. HCF is 1. And LCM of denominator, அதாவது 8, 9 and 18. அதனோட LCM கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். 8, 9, 18. What is the LCM of 8, 9 and 18?
72, sir.
72. அப்போ என்ன ஆன்சர்? HCF of this
1 by 72.
1 by 72 ஆன்சர். மை காட், ஏன் இவ்வளோ நேரம் எடுக்குது? நான் முந்தானேத்தே போட்டேன். I've done it long, many minutes back. Why it is taking so much time? I do not know. Okay. Because, so the answer is 728 and 1 by 72. உங்களுக்கு வரலன்னா பரவாயில்ல, டோன்ட் பாதர். வீட்டில் போய் பாருங்கள் என்ன ஏன் வரல அப்படின்னு ஒரு கை பாத்திரலான்னு பாருங்கள். ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் கோ டு விதவுட் வேஸ்டிங் மச் டைம், லெட்ஸ் கோ டு நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். ஃபைண்ட் த லார்ஜஸ்ட் 3-digit மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் 24 அப்படிங்கிறத கொஸ்டின். ஸோ ஃபைண்ட் இந்த கொஸ்டின், இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஆன்சர் கேப் இல்லாதனால உங்களுக்கு கன்ஃபியூஷனாக இருக்கும் நினைக்கிறேன். ஃபைண்ட் த லார்ஜஸ்ட் 3-digit மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் 24. எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறேன்னா largest 3-digit number is 999. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Divide it by 24. What you find the remainder? So you divide 999 by 24. What is the remainder? What is the remainder you are getting? Remainder means meedi. In Tamil it's called meedi.
Sir, I didn't understand. Can you please explain it again?
No, we have to find the largest 3-digit multiple number which is multiple of 24. Actually, I think.
Sir, it's 120, I think, sir. Yes, it's 120, sir.
One minute. Largest 3-digit number which is
Divisible by 24.
Which is multiple of 24. Yes, divisible by 24. So
That's
the largest.
120, sir.
No, largest, not smallest. Largest. The largest 3-digit number is 999. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
So I want to find which is the largest 3-digit number which is multiple of 24. I am dividing 999 by 24. So what is the meaning?
Sir,
The remainder is 15,
Sir,
sir.
984, sir.
Remainder is 15. Okay. You subtract.
Quotient is 41, sir.
Forget about quotient at the moment. Subtract that 15 from 999. Subtract
Sir,
that.
984, sir.
984 is the largest 3-digit number which is a multiple of 24. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat it again?
No, let me read what is given there. Find the largest. அது கொஞ்சம் பெருசு பண்ணிடலாமா? இருங்க one minute. இது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். இந்த கொஸ்டின் வரும். If you have understood this question, you have already pocketed 2 marks. அப்படின்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். 2 questions வரும் இதில். Find the largest 3-digit number which is multiple of 24. Which is multiple of 24. The largest 3-digit number is 999. Okay, good. Divide it by 24. And the remainder is 15. Subtract that remainder from 999. So 989 is the largest 3-digit number which is multiple of 24. Okay, now we will do one more. Find the largest 3-digit number. Largest 3-digit number which is multiple of 17. இப்போ கண்டுபிடிங்க பார்க்கலாம். Same style you can follow.
Sir, which is divisible by 17.
17, yes.
Okay. Sir.
986, sir.
Yes, sir. 986.
Are we getting 986?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am also getting 986.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 986 தான் சார்.
அவ்வளோதான். ஆமாம், இவ்வளோதான். இது அதே மாதிரி ஸ்மாலஸ்ட்டும் கேட்பாங்க. பாருங்கள், இந்த நான் லார்ஜஸ்ட்டில் இன்னொன்று பண்ணால் அதிகமாக லார்ஜஸ்ட் தான் கேட்பாங்க. ஓகே, லார்ஜஸ்ட் 3-digit number which is divisible by 89 பார்க்கலாம்.
Sir, 979, sir.
Yes, sir. I also got right 79.
ஓகே, ஐ திங்க் இட்ஸ் கரெக்ட். ஐ திங்க் ஓகே. அடுத்தது பாருங்கள், இந்த இதை பாருங்கள், இது கொஞ்சம் பெருசு பண்ணிடலாரு. somebody see what is this? So find the smallest 5-digit number which is multiple of 37. Smallest 5-digit number which is multiple of 37. Now அங்கே அந்த கொடுத்துருக்கோம் அந்த ப்ரொசீஜர். ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் 5-digit நம்பர் இஸ் 10,000. Divide the 10,000 by 37 and the remainder is 10 and take the difference of this 37 and the 10 and that number you add it to 10,000 அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகுதா?
So can I try that? Means can we try that?
Yeah, you try on your own. That's what I'm saying. Try on your own, and if you don't get
Yes, sir. I got the same answer.
what answer?
I too got, sir.
What answer?
So I got 10,027.
27. எல்லாருக்கும் வருதா? Out of you are getting?
Yes, sir.
ஏன்னா இந்த கொஸ்டின் கண்டிப்பாக வரும். இதில் இதுக்கு காம்ப்ளிகேட்டடாக வரதில்ல. ஐ ஹவ் சீன், ஈவன் தோ ஐ டீச் லிட்டில் காம்ப்ளிகேட்டட் தேன் திஸ், பட் ஐ டோன்ட் see in any of the last 5 years papers you are getting, but still we will learn. அது maybe at a later point of time. Okay, இதில் you can find that largest, smallest 5-digit number or 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number which is multiple of 19. பார்க்கலாம்.
Thousand 63, sir.
1009, sir.
Sir, it's smallest 4-digit number, right, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, it's 1007.
Even if you take slightly more time, it's okay, but then don't give wrong answers. எல்லாருக்கும் அது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். எதுக்குன்னா கிளாஸில் இல்லை, எக்ஸாமில் யூ வில் ஹேவ் அந்த டெண்டன்சி குறைக்கணும். whenever I give answer it will be correct அப்படின்னு இருக்கணும். Can you do that? அதை நீங்கள் மனசில் ஒரு உறுதி எடுத்துக்கங்க. whenever I answer it is correct, then only I will answer, otherwise I will not answer அப்படின்னு ஒரு முடிவு, you take a resolution or oath you take.
So I got 1007 or it will be 1008. I'm not confirmed between these two.
What is that?
1007 or 1008.
Why you are getting two answers? I do not know.
No, sir, I'm confused
which
between
is the
these
right
two.
answer? No, which is the correct answer? No, but others I am talking. What are you getting?
1007, sir.
1007 is the right answer. Yeah, the confusion வருதுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. Okay, in the confusion la class, in the class you get confusion, no problem. You get confused, no problem. You are in a hurry to give the answer and it is wrong, no problem, etc. But then எக்ஸாமில் அப்படி பண்ண முடியாது. அதனால் இந்த கிளாஸ்லேயே நீங்கள் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். வென் எவர் முகில் கிவ்ஸ் அன் ஆன்சர், இட் ஹேஸ் டு பி கரெக்ட், அதர்வைஸ் யூ ஷுட் நாட் கிவ். ஆர் வென் எவர் அர்ஷிதா கிவ்ஸ் அன் ஆன்சர், இட் ஹேஸ் டு பி கரெக்ட். Or anybody, I am just saying 1 or 2 names. Whenever Lakshmana Prabhu gives, it has to be correct. If you take this oath, you will definitely be successful not only in this exam or any exam, any competitive exam. Because generally we students have the tendency to give the answer first. In the class, that is actually, they give importance to it, no? There is a tendency to give the answer first, and in the process we may make mistake. And then in the class it is okay. But in the exam, what happens? If Mugil says some answer and she goes and takes that answer, she thinks that it is correct, because here nobody in the exam, nobody is there to correct it. And we will be, what do we say? We will always think that is right, and we come out. And happily we will come out and say that, oh, I have done well, etc. Then finally when we see the result, it will not be good. So you have to be very careful. Okay, a lot of things are there. I think in maths we need to touch. We will go one by one. We need not be in a hurry. Somebody wanted SAT. Sir, next class please start the science, sir. Yes, we will look at physics. We will look at chemistry. Then again we'll go back to math. Okay. Thank you so much for coming. We will again meet next Sunday. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.